Hey guys, there's so many fireworks that we hear around us. That's my brother.
Volleyball. We're gonna play soccer, and there's fireflies all around, and there's fireworks. It's 4th of July.
Yeah, today's 4th of July, so there's like a lot of noise and fireworks all over the place.
Me and Jesse versus Colleen, Colin, and AC.
And if you guys hear like all banging and stuff, that's all of the fireworks that's going on. It's like happening like somewhere over like there. Yeah, and like over there too. It's crazy because it's also so loud. Wait, let me just flip this up.
After we play soccer, we're gonna catch.
Like we hear fireworks like all over the place, and there's a lot of fireflies too. So we're kind of catching fireflies.
What?
Yeah.
What now?
Oh, it's a firefly.
Wrap it up.
There you go. Alright, yeah, we hear a lot of fireworks over there. There's fireworks just everywhere. So, yeah. Oh, fireworks. What the hell are these fireworks? I'm trying to look for fireflies. It's also pretty dark. So, yeah, the most fireworks that we hear right now are like down there.
Who needs bug spray?
I don't need bug spray.
Yeah.
Well, I might need it like later. I'm gonna go over at a light. Probably gonna carry the light so you guys can see better. Got this light here. So I have the light right now. Colin.
That's the goal.
That is. Oh, I didn't know. We're playing soccer, so we have a goal, so I gotta put it back. Right here. I'm gonna try to video us playing with the light. See, like there. Separate. Yeah, I think that's good.
Playing you on that side.
Yeah.
I know, I'm just trying to see if I can video us playing. Alright, I think that's good. And I want to make sure the light can see.
That's decent.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, cool. All right. Now let's just start as a goal kick. I'll be like trapping. They're not gonna.
Okay, fine, but you have to be like relatively close.
All right, go. Oh wait. Hello guys.
Pass.
No, we just saw
Take the goal kick.
fireworks. We like just saw the fireworks.
I can't see the ball.
No!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Celebration.
Oh my God.
All right, one zero.
Yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video because I'll probably video again while fireworks are going again. Maybe when we see them clearly. But right now it's going crazy. All right. So, bye.